MoeTheDriver.
So I got a little carried away, started working on something without showing you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you now. It's actually something really cool. Let me show you. Just check it out, man, check it out. This is an SFI compliant bell housing from ATF Speed. And there's more. This bell housing has actually been profiled down to fit in a super tunnel. So it actually doesn't require a lot of work to get it under a truck. So it'll be really easy to get this on transmission under a truck, no problem. Now, it did come with this kit of hardware from ATF Speed, and I could open it and show you all of that cool stuff, but it's just a transmission bell housing. So pretty simple. That's what it is. I mean, it looks cool, right? And it says it's for a turbo 400 and a turbo 400 and 350. Got them GM part numbers there. Looks pretty cool. I mean, not much to it, just a piece of metal, ladies and gentlemen, but it'll do the trick. So we're gonna get on down the road and get to some racing. So let me get out of here. I'm not gonna bore you with this thing, just a piece of metal. If you guys want the numbers, here's the numbers. But that's all. Get you guys an update on the truck here soon. And you know, we're really gonna start hitting it. So it's coming together. I just don't wanna show you yet. I don't wanna ruin it. I don't wanna ruin the surprise. Stay tuned. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you might wanna subscribe so you don't miss it, because it's gonna be crazy. It's coming together. See you later.